How to get Meta AI on Instagram. Launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your particular account. To get Meta AI on Instagram, tap on the message icon at top right corner of the screen. Now from this DM section or the chat section, you need to open any kind of chat where you want to get Meta AI on Instagram. Suppose if this is the chat, let's go back and open any one. And here on this message section, tap on it. And here you need to type in @ and Meta AI. By typing this, a pop-up menu box appears where you can select Meta AI on the Instagram. And by opening it, you can ask any kind of queries relating to your own interest. Unfortunately, Meta AI is not currently available on my country. So you need to remember that Meta AI is not applicable or available in every countries. So you need to browser it and search whether that is available on your country or not. If not, you won't be able to get Meta AI on Instagram like mine. So you have to wait for certain years or time until Meta AI is also applicable on your country. Then you can easily get Meta AI on Instagram. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.